Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check whether your phone supports USB-C or Lightning OTG and the camera's video class or app drivers. Once confirmed, make sure both devices are charged above 50% and that any manufacturer apps or drivers are installed. Enable developer USB settings or permission prompts when needed, because without them, the phone won't accept an external feed. Now grab the correct cable or adapter. No guessing, so you can connect and move to active. Once connected, open your Capture app and select the external camera as the input source. The phone's native camera app often won't detect it. Configure resolution and frame rate, choose 30 or 60 frames per second depending on your project, and set aspect ratio to match your output. Make sure to switch autofocus, exposure locks, and orientation controls inside the app so the phone treats the feed as a continuous camera. If latency appears, lower resolution or use a hardware capture dongle to reduce buffering. Finalize by running a short recording and watching the live preview for dropped frames, audio sync, and heat buildup. If audio drifts, record sounds separately or enable the external camera's mic settings to avoid latency. Make sure file formats match for editing. Once done, secure the camera and phone on a mount or gimbal and monitor battery and temperature during long sessions. If the feed stops, restart both devices, try a different cable or adapter, and reinstall drivers. These steps fix most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.